Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be doing another unbox, this time on the Necktie, the NT-18 from LawMate. So this, along with the cone camera and the handbag, all work with the PV500, so make sure you do have a PV500 before you go ahead and purchase any of these products. We're going to slide off the top cover and I'm going to give you a look at it. So as always, the LawMate boxes are quite nice. Not going to be a lot to it with this unbox because it is a necktie. So it comes in this lovely plastic bag. Get up in there, slide it out, put that down there. So here is your necktie. I obviously didn't wear the correct shirt for this one today, but we'll go outside and I'll show you some footage of what it can do. The actual camera lens itself is actually hidden, where are we? Just above where my thumb is. So it's very hard to pick up. As you can see, it took me a while to find it, and I've done this 3 times now trying to locate this guy. But your little camera lens is hidden just there. All the componentry and circuitry is hidden back behind here, and essentially what you have is a little cone, I think it is, or the button camera, the BU18, hidden back up under this section just here, and then you've got your quick release for it. So if you need to adjust the tie to get it on yourself, what you want to do is you want to locate the zipper on the back, and you want to hold that and then pull up from the middle of the tie at the same time, and the whole thing goes up. So then you can put it around your neck, and you simply just pull down on it and slide up at the same time, and then away you go. Now you probably look better than I've looked in years right now. Obviously you do this with the right sort of shirt on. This a t-shirt is not the correct shirt for it, but what we'll do is we'll take it outside. I'll plug into a PV500 and I'll show you exactly what it can do, but I think it looks pretty good. Join us on the next video, guys, and we'll show you exactly what the necktie is capable of doing.